Hello guys, Masonic Storm here. Today we're gonna replace my gasket, the cover valve gasket of my Honda Accord 2004, and you can replace also on 2003, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the tools that we need is the wrench, ratchet, 10 millimeter, screwdriver, and long nose for the clip, for the hose clip. Okay, and of course the gasket. Here we go, original from Honda. Right, we need to remove all the bolts, all of this on the front right there. So let's do it. Okay, first we'll remove on top here the 4 bolts. And next we'll remove the switch, and there's a screw also here. We'll take it out. Okay guys, already removed that, and then we'll take it out of the way just to remove this, the whole thing, the cover. Okay, put on the side. Right, and then next we'll take this, the cover out. So I already make it loose just to show you. Right, just the lid, and then we'll take this out, the bolts too. Okay, already make it loose. One. Yeah, okay guys, now we can lift the cover of the valve, and make sure all the bolts, it has bolts here too, has to remove everything. Try to check everything before you lift, so it's not hard for you. Okay, you will see it. Check it out. That's why I decided to replace my new gasket, is because as you can see, there's a leak behind of my engine right there. As you can see, it's not good anymore, so that's why I decided to replace it, the gasket. Right, okay, we need to remove the gasket now, and I'm gonna use the screwdriver to lift the gasket like that, and then yeah, take it out. See, it's like it's not a rubber anymore, it's like plastic, because that's too hot. So take out everything. There. Yeah, all the way. So now I put a new one, install a new one, as you can see right there, all the same. So when I take it out, I made the same pattern like that. This one's like, you know, it's like a plastic now, unlike this one is really rubber. You know, it's been a long time, and it's been like 18 years before I changed this. Yeah, so okay, let's install it and make sure put in a proper place, everything in proper place. All right. Okay guys, I'm gonna put this back now right here, and I just clean it, the cover a little bit. As you can see, it looks shiny. Yeah, right there. Just clean a little bit before you put it back. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah. I put it back like that. Just put in place. Make sure you put everything on it. Right. I just clean a little bit, so as you can see, looks clean and shiny. Right. Okay guys, that's how you replace your gasket, the valve cover gasket, on Honda Accord 2004, and you can do it in 2000 up to 2007. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.